Did you know that taking care of your baby starts before you've even conceived? Preconception care can make all the difference to your health and to the health of your baby.
Congratulations! The decision to have a child is an exciting one. Surprisingly, preparing for the healthiest baby starts not in the bedroom, but with some lifestyle changes. It is vital to start by meeting with your OBGYN for a preconception appointment. This checkup allows your doctor to uncover any health problems you may have that could affect a pregnancy or your baby's development. At this appointment, your doctor will be looking for anemia, diabetes, kidney disease, genital infection, high blood pressure, and immunity to rubella. Your doctor will also advise you of your optimal weight, which you will benefit from heeding both prior to and during your pregnancy. If you are underweight, you are more likely to give birth to a low-weight baby, which can cause difficulties after delivery. If you are overweight, you are more likely to have a difficult pregnancy, which can include the possibility of having a baby too big to pass safely through the birth canal, a condition known as macrosomia. Proper diet and nutrition are essential to your preconception health. You should never diet while trying to conceive, and always avoid eating undercooked meat and raw eggs. So, watch that Caesar salad dressing. Doctors also recommend taking prenatal vitamins prior to conception. This prepares your body for pregnancy and helps to fill in any dietary gaps you may have. Folic acid, a B vitamin, is arguably the most important prenatal vitamin for women. Folic acid can help increase your fertility and, once pregnant, can also lower the risk that your baby will develop neural tube defects. And don't forget to exercise. Engaging in a cardiovascular activity that gets your heart pounding, like running or biking, will keep you fit and healthy, increase blood flow to the uterus, and will help prepare your body for conception. Smoking, drinking, and recreational drug use are no-nos. It is also advisable to limit your caffeine consumption. Finally, be sure to ask your doctor about any prescription medications you take that could be harmful to your baby once you conceive, or which could make it difficult to conceive in the first place. Taking positive steps to ensure a healthy pregnancy before it even begins will help ensure a smooth ride for both you and your baby-to-be. Remember to talk to your doctor before attempting to conceive.
Want to learn more? Check out other videos and sources on this site for more information.